Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is all set to inaugurate the magnificent Jagannath Dham in Digha on Wednesday, coinciding with the Hindu auspicious occasion of Akshaya Tritiya. This being seen, at least politically, ahead of the elections next year, as Mamata Banerjee's Jai Jagannath pitch against Jai Shri Ram echoes of the BJP. Now, on the same day, principal opposition BJP has announced reconstruction and restoration of Hindu temples damaged in the Murshidabad violence. My colleague Shreyasi joins us with more details on this. Shreyasi, let me bring you in. While, of course, this will be seen as a simple inauguration of a temple, but it has political over and undertones, isn't it, for the elections coming up?
Absolutely, and I haven't seen anything like this in the past, where the state administration has been pressed into action for the inaugural ceremony of a temple in West Bengal. We are in Digha right now, and I would just ask, the camera person to show. This is the Jagannath Dham, which is going to be inaugurated tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Pran Pratishtha at 2:30 p.m. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee took part in the rituals today. She was accompanied by ministers, MLAs, and administrators. Officials of West Bengal government, and this 22-acre plot along the coastline of West Bengal is where the roads end. There's a huge amount of tourists that have come in over here, which otherwise doubles up as a beachside, getaway from Kolkata, but now, of course, holds significance as it is going to host the Jagannath temple replica of what we see in Puri. But, of course, as we mentioned, the political overtones and undertones cannot be missed, perhaps given the timing of this inauguration, just a year ahead of elections. And Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, while addressing the people who had arrived here today, said that, you can't really practice religion through making speeches or, giving out, sermons, but it is through the heart, and this is her attempt. It's Mamata Banerjee's dream project, and she will be inaugurating it tomorrow amongst dignitaries, state officials, ministers, cutting across political lines. But of course, the BJP has alternate plans. They are not going to be seen at this temple inauguration here in West Bengal, but instead in Murshidabad, they will be restoring and purifying the temples that allegedly came under attack during the Murshidabad violence. But of course, all eyes on what message the Chief Minister of West Bengal sends during the inauguration ceremony tomorrow afternoon here in Digha.